What's going on, guys? I'm Brandon from Walkers Woodworks. Welcome back to the channel. I quit my job today, so that's new. I actually quit a few days ago, but today was my last day. So basically, I'm not going to work anymore is what I'm saying. So stick around and I'll tell you guys what that means for myself, you guys, the channel, as well as a shop update because the shop's up. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know that I quit. I update over there a lot more than I do here as far as daily behind the scenes stuff. So if you're not following me over there, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for that. And yeah, I quit my job today. Pretty crazy. It's been a long time coming. I've been trying to go full time for a long time. And recently I found something besides content that pushed me over the edge and made me realize that I can definitely do it. And that is reselling. So basically, if you guys follow Gary Vee or any of those guys, you know what I'm talking about. Going to thrift stores, garage sales, things like that, finding stuff that's cheap enough that you can make a profit on while reselling it on eBay. What my niche really is car parts. So basically, I set up another business, a DBA, under my Walkers Woodworks, and it's called Walkers Resale. And I got a resale license for that and everything, and set up with auctions, so I can go to auctions, buy cars, bring them home, completely strip them down, and sell all the parts on eBay, and then sell whatever's left to the junkyard. And I can also do stuff like recycle batteries and just all kinds of different hustle stuff like that. But I also do like the thrifting thing. That's pretty fun. But I figure if I mix them together, it'll be a lot more lucrative. And it has been. Since May, I've been doing that, as well as doing some woodworking on the side. So what this means basically is I'll have time to make more videos for you guys. I'll be having more, like I said, more content, more different videos, more projects, things like that. So I'm pretty excited about that because I've had no time really between a full-time job and trying to get the resale business off the ground to do any content really, and I apologize for that, but I'm back in full-time. Crazy still. I'm still processing because it was just today that was my last day, and driving home I'm like, well, this is weird. I'm never gonna drive back there again, which is untrue because I will go back there because Aaron's one of my good friends, and I'll go hang out, help him if he really needs me, and probably pay him to use his wide belt because that machine is amazing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Other than that, let's head outside and I will show you guys the shop. It is sweet. Also, real quick before we head outside, I wanted to tell you guys I do have an Instagram account for the reselling business. I've toyed with the idea of making a YouTube channel, but I think it'd be weird to walk into thrift stores with a GoPro strapped to my chest like those guys do. Shout out to Tim Osborne to Thrift and Harry Tornado. If you guys like reselling stuff, go follow their videos. They're awesome. Help me out a ton. But anyway, I will link the Instagram for my reselling stuff in the description below. Let's go outside. All right, so we're out here in the yard, which my mom is keeping it nice, by the way. It would not look like this if it wasn't for her watering every day. That's a pergola we just put up and will be in a video this coming weekend, next weekend, I guess. But I'll show you the shop, but first I want to show you this. I had to turn my mic around. So this is a 2013 Lincoln MKZ that was clearly in a wreck. This is the type of thing I will be doing with my business as far as the car parts go. I bought this actually just from a guy on Instagram who fixes cars and sells them. He used to do eBay, but decided to just focus on fixing and selling the car. You can see a lot of stuff I've already stripped out of it. And he took the rear quarter panel for a project he was doing. But as far as the parts, you can kind of see that it's pretty well stripped already. I don't know how much of that you guys really care about, but this is the shop. It's a 20 by 35. It is a carport style, like expanded metal shop. So not a red iron, but it'll work. And we're gonna do concrete out the end here. It's all gonna get graded still. It's going to have a full width of the shop pad, so 20 feet wide, and then come out 16 feet. And that will be kind of tapered up so I can drive in there. So this will be where all the cars go. Cars will go in there. Wood shop will be on the other side. I'll go inside in a second and show you guys. But I'm also going to gravel all of this where all the dirt is, and on the back side, and probably put in a little like carport so I can put my boat there and get stuff like that. But I'll head inside and show you guys what the inside looks like. It's a cool like darker gray with black trim. Really like the colors. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right, heading into the shop. Actually, let's go in the bay door. These are just pull-up doors, but they're not too hard to pull up. I thought it was gonna be like roll-up doors with the chain, but they're not. They're storage style doors. One thing I'm happy about is there's not a whole lot of air gap. It does have like rubber on both sides, and this is fully insulated, so that should be good. It's about 110 in here right now because there's no AC or anything, obviously, and it's super hot right now in California. But this insulation should help, and then I want to add actually another layer before I put the sheathing on, which hopefully will be plywood. We'll see. Going to be crazy expensive, but you know, it's the shop that I'm going to be in for quite a while, so figured might as well do it the way I want to do it. This is the outdoor shop cat. But yeah, I want to do the wood side over here, and then the cars will be on this side. So cars will pull in the bay door, or I will pull them in. And also working on my personal stuff. I want to build my Chevy Love. I got the motor built for that, but I want to obviously get it finished, and then I have a Nova as well that someday will be done. But I want to pull in the cars here, have toolboxes and stuff on that side, have a workbench over here, all the electrical I need, and then sheathing. So that way I decided to do plywood, I think, because as you can tell, there's only metal studs in here and they're pretty far apart. So I wanted to have something there so I can hang cabinets on and stuff like that. And with 3/4 inch ply, you can pretty much hang cabinets wherever you want as long as the sheets are secured well. So I may have to put in some like 2x4s here and there to kind of give more support for that, but hopefully that'll work out. And with that, I will be doing a lot more shop builds. So let me know in the comments down below what videos you guys want to see as far as shop builds, and I'll try to get to that. I think I do want to make another assembly table, definitely making a miter saw station, which will go over here. My table saw will go in front of this door. That way wood can stick out and I can kind of put it near the door, have as much room as possible. I think I want to put my joiner and planer and bandsaw kind of in that corner on rolling carts so I can just keep them out of the way until I need them, because it's a bigger shop, but it's still not huge. So with everything that's going to be going in here with 2 businesses, it's definitely going to fill up quick. So I want to try to maximize my space as much as possible. It's a smooth finished concrete floor, which is super nice. I'm going to seal it, but I have to wait 30 days, I think he said. And then we need to get some lighting in here, obviously, and it's super echoey. So I'm hoping the extra insulation with the plywood and stuff will kind of muffle that down some. It's not great for video, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys what was going on, update you a little bit, bring you kind of behind the scenes, because I want to be a little bit more personable on the channel, since I'm going to be doing a lot more content, like I said, full-time doing this and reselling. It's pretty crazy, but I'm super stoked about it. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. The support has been awesome, and we will see you on the next video. Have a good one.